Hi guys, we received this Hedynshine 100 feet outdoor LED strip lights for living purposes, and well, let's unpack it. Here we have the energy outlet, the controller, the receiver, some hooks to install it, the user manual with all the modes and everything for the LEDs, and here it's the LEDs. They're actually two, and it's 100 feet, so I think it'll be quite nice. Out of here. It's this, okay? It's, well, waterproof, so you can use it outside and it fits perfectly. You can hang them with this. You support them and you can hang them, okay? So let's hang them. Okay guys, so I'm here outside and I already put it around my tree, as you can see. There's connected, and I have here the controller. This is the on button, so this is how it looks. Looks really nice. You can change the modes. It looks really nice. It decorates amazing your garden, and as you can see, it gave it much spin, so it looks really nice. I like a lot how it looks, and it can help you decorate all your house for every season that you need it, or even your inside of your house, which is quite nice. And I like that it's waterproof, so you don't have any problems with it leaving it outside. So I will actually really recommend these LEDs. See ya.